companies are using marketing to sell their products.
And I've been fallen into this trap so many times. Chic people, cool locations, great short movies, and I thought it would solve all my problems. And we all know how that ended. The iPad Pro is no different. Supposed to be a laptop replacement. It never really worked for me. Too many components were missing, like a fully functional keyboard. A keyboard you can actually use to dim your screen or increase volume. Never mind typing on it. When Inateck reached out to me, I was intrigued to see what their keyboard can do. This particular keyboard is for the latest iPad Pro 12.9-inch generation, weighs about 770 grams, and when I saw it for the first time, it reminded me of a rugged laptop case like you see on Live PD. It is priced well at $56 US. The weight itself seems a bit on a heavier side, but the trade-off here is that your iPad is fully protected, like from every angle. It is called TPU soft rubber material for effective corner protection. Let's focus on the main feature, the keyboard. It does need charging via micro USB. A cable is of course included amongst other things like instructions. The keyboard itself has 3 LED lights, one of which is the battery indicator, 1 cap lock, plus a Bluetooth LED indicator. Now the keyboard is pretty cool. It is backlit in 3 different zones, fully customizable in terms of colors. It looks just awesome out of the box. Inateck calls this the starlight effect with breathing colors. Pretty sweet.
Have you ever fallen out of love?
The keyboard writing experience is really good. In fact, I believe that it is so much better than any of the MacBook Pro butterfly keyboards. Let's just call it tactile, and you know exactly what I'm on about. The Inateck keyboard has kind of 2 positions. One is flat and one is with an angle. The latter makes it work like a dream.
There are 3 things that I love about this keyboard: the lighting, the protection, and a place for my Apple Pencil.
At the back you have a magnetic design which helps you standing up the case. There are 2 portions to it with 3 notches for 3 different positions. Should you have an Apple Pencil, well, you are all sorted here. The pencil will charge in the usual position, or when traveling you can literally put it inside the case for protection, or simply to make sure you don't lose the Apple Pencil. Pairing the Inateck keyboard and the iPad Pro via Bluetooth was fine and worked right away. I had no issues here whatsoever. The case itself is detachable and can separate into 2. You can therefore remove the keyboard and just have an iPad stand. Yes, you guessed it, to watch movies.
Stuck up in the middle, in between you and I.
Look, the reality is that Apple will always sell us something that costs an arm and a leg. Take the keyboard for example.
Yeah, Inateck's keyboard is not just affordable, it works really well and we can highly recommend it. We had a great time. If you have any questions with regards to this keyboard, let us know in the comments below.
Toni, the car geek.
Jens here from Also Space. See you next time. Thank you for watching.
Deep up in my feelings. Here I go again.